Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite painters. It's not Frida Kahlo, it's my friend Chris Mello from Mello Earth. I love her art. I have purchased it before. I just purchased something else, and she has also made an exchange of art between us. And it is just so lovely to have a friend that likes the same stuff. And she has a YouTube channel. I want to give you a link to her YouTube channel and to her website. So check the information box below. Her art is gorgeous. Just look at this. We've been friends for many years, and it started by talking about making an art swap. So we did that and became friends. This is some of the art. I have to confess, I bought one and she gave me a few a few extras. Like this ACEO. Just look at this. These are gorgeous. I love them. And these are prints. I absolutely love them. I love painting and collecting Frida Kahlo stuff or inspired paintings. These are going to be in my walls, rest assured. And this, what is there not to love? I love calla lilies. This one feels like it could have been a portrait of me. Of course, I'm flattering myself, but yay. I love the colors. I love the pink. I love the turquoise. There's her signature. Thank you, Chris. I am so happy with this. If you want to collect her art, literally jump into the description box. She often has art on eBay. Beautiful art. Frankly, I cannot get enough.